Good morning, rollers. Today is October 1st. I know you'll be seeing this in a few days, but I thought I'd head over to Trader Joe's and go check out some of the fall favorites and hope that the pumpkins are there. Let's go. Look at this. Pumpkin curry. And then look at these. I can't get everything pumpkin, but they have tons. Here's why I came. Gotta get the good pumpkins. Best price. Did I ever tell you guys that Paul is so allergic to sweet potatoes? So, no. I'm ready to show you what we got. I am back and I can't wait to show you, like I said, what we got from Trader Joe's. They have new bags, you guys, but they will still be used for my recyclables because these are 80% made of recyclable product already. So that's what the lady told me, and these can go into the recycle bin as well. So they can actually hold more, and if your Trader Joe's already is using them, you could use them multiple times and bring them back. So maybe I'll do that too. Okay, so I have things that are that need to go in the freezer, and there's no rhyme or reason, but just know that I got lots of fall favorites, lots of fall things, and I'm deciding if I need to make a video just tasting all of the fall specialty foods just for you guys. I'm still thinking about it. Let me know down below if you'd like to see a video where we're taste testing all the fall things. So let me start showing you and getting things in the freezer. All right, first up, I just bought some whole wheat bread. Ezra loves wheat bread, so I kind of have to get it. All right, some things I got for the freezer. This is some chicken chow mein. I have never bought this one before, but I'm a fan of the noodles, and I think this may be something I think Jonas would really like. So maybe I'll make it for lunch for him today. So, and then I'll have some. I love their Mandarin chicken, this orange chicken, very popular. Their pieces in here are a little bit bigger than the ones that I get from Winco, but they taste very, very close to the same. So if you have a Winco near you, you could probably get the same flavorings. But this is some good stuff. And those are like, the chow mein was $4 and then the orange chicken was $5. These are some roasted potatoes. They have bell peppers and onions. Paul loves that. So this is kind of a Paul dish. And then here's another thing, I don't know if I've ever gotten this before, but Kung Pao chicken. So this is a more spicy chicken dish. It's going to be good with rice, I'm sure. Paul loves it. I know Jonas loves it. I like it too. I mean, I don't eat it that often, but these bags aren't really big enough to feed our whole family. So that's why I want to have like quick and easy dinners or quick and easy lunches where like 2 people can eat it. So I got these. You guys, you know these are my favorites. The strawberries are itty bitty and they are so sweet. They are yummy. Not like sweet like sugar, but sweet like they're not tart berries. And I think I saw that that chefs have sealed or vacuum sealed strawberries, and that's what makes them like redder. So I don't know if that's the process they use at Trader Joe's with these, freezing these, but man, they are perfect. And I got 2, so hopefully they'll last more than a couple of days. All right, I picked up some plain bagels. One of my favorite things to eat for breakfast: cream cheese, tomatoes, and some lemon pepper. Let me know if you've tried that combination and what you think. Okay, so here's a fall thing. Maple streusel bread. You know, some of these products are a little bit pricier than like the normal bread. Like that loaf of bread was like $2. This was $3.99. So this is gonna be special. I'll probably put it in the freezer and thaw out as we need it. But over this next week or the weekend, which is coming up, but you'll probably hear a little bit of me talking about it, is general conference with our church. So we get to watch church on TV and listen to our leaders, which is awesome. And you can watch the repeats on the Church of Jesus Christ .org, and they'll have the replays. But we like to do like something special, like special breakfast and special lunches and things like that. So this may be a contender. And look at those little spice cookies. Woo, woo, woo. They look like animal cookies, but spice. I think I got these last year, and I believe we like them. I did buy some pumpkin pancake waffle mix. I'm not sure if we were great fans of these, so I didn't get the gluten-free one too, because they had gluten-free versions of these. But I know how to make them better by adding some chocolate chips. So I got Ezra some of these cereal bars. He really, really likes those. And I couldn't pass up getting some Halloween JoJo's. They are very, like a healthier version of an Oreo. But you know what? They have, in the Christmas season, they have the minty ones. And they are, they have like the white filling with the crumbly pieces of candy cane. Oh man, so good. And then I picked up 2 bags of just my favorite corn. This is really, really sweet corn. I really, really like it. So whenever I go, I just get a couple bags. And then they're mac and cheese bites. Fans of my kids. So I know Kobe loves mac and cheese bites, and I know the other ones like to get some too. And talking about boys, they love Pringles. And so these are like the Trader Joe brand of Pringles. Ezra just walked in and eyes wide. And then I have some other ones, but this is the green apple flavor. So you'll get to see some of the other flavors that I got. Let me put these away and start unpacking some more. I got these cute little pumpkins for 69 cents each. And you saw that I had the $2.99 pumpkins. So these are going to be perfect right over here. That is looking so nice. So what we do is we paint little sugar skulls on the pumpkins for celebrating Day of the Dead or Dia de los Muertos. And so then we just turn them around when we're done, and then we continue to use them for the fall decor. Smart, right? Okay, so we have some barbecue chicken teriyaki, one of our faves. Now I know that also at Winco they have a similar version to this. So good over rice. You can see they have it rice. And you know what I do is I add vegetables into it while I'm cooking, and then it just makes it a little bit healthier. I picked up some butter because going through a lot, so I need to hit the Costco soon, right? I picked up some of these from last time. You maybe remember I got these almond yogurts for Paul. He really liked them. And they're a little on the pricier side, about $1.29 each. So I hope he likes them. I know he will, but I'm just saying, he likes them. I also found organic pumpkin, you guys. Now this was $1.99 each, so I'm happy to spend $1.99, $2 for organic. So I think that's such a great price. What the at Vaughn's, just regular pumpkin was $2.50 a can, and I think that's a little far-fetched. Let me know if you're having more luck with pumpkin in your neighborhoods. I'm hoping because we were starting early, and maybe that's why we weren't seeing it so much, but now that we're hitting into October and November, that we should be starting to see a little bit more pumpkin cans at our favorite stores like Walmart, Target, and Winco. Fingers crossed. Okay, I picked up some more of this cream cheese, whipped cream cheese, and some more of the Roma tomatoes for those bagels. Yum. Okay, so look what I found, you guys. Gluten-free pie crust. So I just made a pie recently, and I tried really hard to find a gluten-free crust. So they didn't have it, but now, dun, 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 I have some. So every time I go, I'm gonna pick up a couple more, and hopefully I will be ready for Thanksgiving. I picked up a couple of these bags of the gluten-free pasta. I actually enjoy having pasta, this gluten-free brand from Trader Joe's. Very good, and it's under $2 a bag. So I just got the pennies. I got 2 of those. And then you got this, you know, it's in the fall selection stuff. Cinnamon bun spread. What? Like, that looks so good. And come on, it's gonna go great on some pancakes, don't you think? Ooh-wee. Gotta put that in the try in the fall selection pile, because I think we are gonna make this video after all. Here we go. How about some maple almonds? I was going to get little snack packs for Paul for his lunches. I was gonna get Paul some trail mixes, and I thought, you know what? I'll just put these in little baggies for him. He'll enjoy that it's maple. Seasons of fall, right? The taste of fall. I picked up some broccoli florets. You know, we like to broil our broccoli and toast it up and put some lemon juice on it. Super yummy. Here's another one of the flavors. As Jonas loves sparkling water. I'll drink some of it, but he will drink a lot of it. So I showed him the flavors. He liked already the green apple. And Jonas, this one's mixed berry. I picked up also some of these yummy mac and cheeses. They may be enough for 2 persons, but I just cooked both of them up and then put the leftovers in the fridge. For Paul, I picked up these. These kind of look very reminiscent to Kind bars. I didn't see anything in the description. I need reading glasses, you guys. Those letters are so small. But I didn't see anything in the ingredients to make me think otherwise, that it wouldn't be good for him. So I thought that would be good to put in his drawer for things to take to work. And you guys, look at this. Ginger brew, pumpkin pie spice, sparkling beverage, sweetened with apple juice and cane sugar. It's definitely going to be a taste test participant. Now we're nearly done. All right, and to finish up this Trader Joe's haul, I picked up some bell peppers and an English cucumber. So that is, or a hot house, however you call it. I'd be interested to know what you call it. And then some good treats. Of course, more things to taste test. So we have this corn fall tortilla chips. I don't know if they're flavored or not. So we're gonna taste test those with some corn and chili salsa. That just sounded so good. Look at that, you guys. I can't wait to try it. And then I also picked up some queso, because we could always have queso with the chips, and apple cider donuts. Donuts. I am so excited to make a video to taste all of these, and that will be coming to you very, very soon. So thanks so much for going with me to Trader Joe's. Give it a thumbs up and let me know if there's anything on here that you would like to try, you have already bought, or that you can't wait to see our reaction for. So have a wonderful day, rollers, and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Got to get started on that video.